Yes, sir, but more money go buy food today. Me no want nobody who me put me leg in my sleep. Yes. Uno always open up people business. That I see with Uno. Uno always open up people business. Me never did remember to check it. If me package come out, it come today and Oxford. My husband away from me, no time for weird. Uno always open up people life. I wanna not see phone one. Uno always open up people life. I wanna not see people one. Eh? Yes, uno always open up people life. I wanna not see people one. Yeah, Daphne Franklin. Come, me now girls don't put no arms around me now. Let me talk to Daphne. Let me ask, let me talk to you. Let me reason with you a little bit. How am I going now? You see, Una always up in a people life and not see phone one. That is what wrong with you now. Let me tell you something. Enough of Uno in a phone. Me not black none of Uno today. Enough of Uno dey on phone here. I wanna come. And because no, me and my husband I go out. Me and my husband is going out. And me put on me look nice something. Eh? Me and my husband I go out. And me put on my look nice something and fix up. Fix up myself. Nice and sexy. Me a young girl. And me put on my nice little something. Nice and sexy to go out. With my husband I go out. Me and my husband I go out. Me not dirty myself. Kimon. Eh? Me not dirty myself, but me have a talk, and me have a say today. Me and my husband I go out and me put on my clothes and me sexy if we go out with my husband. Is my husband and me I go out. And me sexy if I put on if we go out with my husband. Me never put on no sheet. Me I go out with my husband. Me never put on no sheet. Me know some my breast no out the door, my body no out the door, my pum pum no outside. Me put on my clothes and me I go out. No for uno in a long dress. Long frock a sweep off the ground. Or when you know in our house or not go on the bed. You wouldn't even put on one nice sexy lingerie and go on the bed. Wouldn't even put on one nice to come look at top and not put on a baggy and go on the bed and push out on the body for your husband in the bed. Not even that you wouldn't even do. When you go on the bed in this long frock, long skirt, I sweep off the whole of the bed head and I clean the floor with no look long frock and a long skirt. I go to bed. I want to tell myself, say, oh, I'm holy and I'm doing the right thing. And this is a Christian like. Set up on yourself and get up. That's why enough I want to go like on hold more than solely. I want to take on the church sister man. Get away from here. Yeah. We never said Daphne take our church sister man. Because I don't know nothing about Daphne. Daphne take our church sister man. But I'm just saying, hello. Yeah. No for only enough food that come talk about them. Christian. Oh yeah, Christian. Oh yeah, just so yeah. I never see the goodness yet what me do. No for only never see the goodness yet. No goodness what me do. You never see it. You not acknowledge it. You not recognize it. You don't recognize no goodness at all what me do. But if you don't see me put on one night, go sexy summer, go out with my husband. At that time, the first time, you not go comment. You never comment on no goodness what me do yet. But anytime you see, me put on one look nice summer, me I go out. And whatever, I eat to not run down and I eat to not worry about. When you not sleep with the deacon in a church, and you go like on the wall and the soul him. Because on the church, on the church, when you have I sweep off the flooring. And when you not go mark it, you know just like you not go married in on a long frock, on a long skirt, with veil back on like you not go wedding. Yes man. And then you not go like I say, not holy. When you not take it pastor, the leader for the church, I will not sleep. You don't ramp with me in this place, you allow me alone. Love me alone means a young girl and don't leave me alone and me don't want to do. For everybody have to answer to them own sin and the day of judgment. Everybody have to answer to them own sin. Count your sin and don't count my one, because while we are sinner, every day we sin and fall short of the glory of God. So watch yourself and don't watch me. And that me not like with someone who so-called Christian in a phone here. Because you go like you perfect. When you come on dictate and tell Anna, oh Anna, you know for hear that. That's not a Christian like. You know for just like that. That's not Christian like. But you know now watch your daughter want take the gunman them. I will not spend the gunman money. When you corrupt and wicked. When you for go man now ease up off of my tail and leave me alone. Look how much I want them. I come and watch me when me adjust. I want me not adjust. I don't know say I sleep with man. I don't know about the cause of the man I'm sleep with. A politician. I am a big businessman. When you take your money, I don't suck up to the money, I don't say nothing. But when you come now, come on. Hello, babes. Hello. Hello. Hello? I'm on my way. Yeah, I did stop. You know, I must stop. Me stop, you know. When I reach her. I did stop and collect something. Well, I'm coming, alright? Alright, babe. Put on your shirt and sweet up yourself. Alright, baby, I'm coming. Oh man, you don't go like I said, you don't come dictate to yourself to me. When you son asleep with two man at night time, I don't come go like you don't want dictate to yourself to me. I don't want to come run my life and run my show. Go fix up on the family on the gingeration. Why this so nastiness? I don't go like say, you don't act, you don't sleep with all on the church sister. When the church sister husband you not sleep with, and when you no go a wedding, I was the matron of honor. I not sleep with the church sister husband. I want to compare go like on holy and soul and come and talk about say, oh yeah, we're that, and you're a Christian, and that's not a Christian life. Go pick the beam out of the eye before you pick you out of me one. How much pitney you have? You know what pitney I do? You know some nastiness on the pitney I do? Or you feel in a church, big Christian in a church, and your pitney sleep with man. Your son sleep with man. What you feel if you be big Christian in a church? Eh? You see that what you have. I take our sister man. How you feel about that? I want to come and pick them out of people here on Facebook and allow me to ease off my tail and let me go make me prosper. Me a young look pitney girl breast milk still up on my mouth. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm not perfect. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me a young girl. Leave me alone. Breast milk still up on my mouth. Every day on the company context set for me. He, she, and the old lady on the company. When you never see some people, never see the good. What me do yet? No matter how much good me do, they never recognize it yet. A good thing so me not work for man. The mankind praises me, I work for God. And in blessings I'm a flow down for me and make it ever rich. A good thing say God. Me I work for, because guess what the case is now? Uno never recognize no good what me do yet. Some of uno never recognize no good what me do yet. But if me make one mistake, uno want to come stick me in my neck back like uno perfect. I uno now go clean out the cupboard the man I need to know better and fix up on the life before they come text it for me. Me don't want no big man in a phone text it for me. No, allow me alone. Leave me alone. Yeah, leave me alone. Let me survive, let me breathe. I am going out with my nice, clean husband. Young marriage, and we're going out. And me dress up nicely, because we are go out. Yes. Amen. Me don't talk. Me done. You must get the gist now. Allow me. Pay attention to you pitney them. You pitney them want the wrong things. You not see it, but you want to come knock on my door. Leave me alone. Allow me alone, let me live. Yeah. Well, you never give me no credit for the good I'm do yet, but somehow when you come, I don't want discredit me every day. When you never pat me on the shoulder and say, job well done. Job well done as a young girl, you have a big heart. Job well done. No, never do that yet. But you don't want to come now. As you don't see one look sitting. You don't want to come lick me and me the big search. Get up and go and allow me and let go my skirt. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, make me survive. Allow me. Breeze me. Give me a breeze, don't stop. Ride me like jackass. Go ride on a family them want tear down people place at night time and stop riding me. Yeah. Cause no for no family no stop tear down people place at night time. No for no family have some blood stain, blood up shirt where you can't come and you wash it and I keep hush and go on like I say no holy more than nobody else and a holy panassiness you undergo with.